model, 68-plate CITROEN Relay Boxer L3 long wheelbase, 2.0 BlueHDi Dropside Euro 6 spares OR repairs low miles. Body, white, flatbed. Mileage, 53,963. MOT, 6 February 2024. Engine, 1997 CCDW10 FUCA. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: non-runner timing belt has snapped, nice easy repair on these 2.0 HDI engines. Condition summary: bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Very clean dropside with lightweight aluminium bed. Features: 1 former keeper, electric windows. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, 11,700.